3 Chapter 3 Coordinate Geometry. So in previous classes we have learned how can we represent a number on a number line. In a number line we write towards right side positive integers and towards left hand side we represent negative numbers. Now suppose a point lies here, so we said its position is at plus 3. But suppose we have a table. It is rectangular in shape and two persons A and B are sitting like this. Now a point or any object lies here. So if A says that it is 10 centimeter away from me and B says it is 7 centimeter away from me, both are correct. So how can we locate position of this point? So we can to locate such object position or position of such points, we need to locate with rectangular coordinate system. So in a rectangular coordinate system we represent position of any object or any point with two coordinate axes. So these coordinate axes are called x-axis, horizontal axis is called x-axis and the vertical axis is called y-axis. In their point of intersection is called origin. Its coordinate is 0, 0. Towards right side we represent positive number. In the left hand side we represent negative number. Similarly on y-axis, upward side positive and downward side negative numbers. The branch of mathematics in which we locate position of any object in a plane is called coordinate geometry, and this system is called Cartesian system. This horizontal and vertical axis divides a plane into 4 parts. These parts are called quadrants. We have 4 quadrants, 1, 2, 3, 4. So position of an object is represented with two coordinate. So in a rectangular coordinate system, here it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. On vertical axis 1, 2, 3. Suppose an object lies here, so its position with respect to or its distance from y-axis is, this is y-axis, so its distance from y-axis is 2 unit, while its distance from x-axis is 3 unit. So we represent first 2, 3. Its coordinate is 2, 3. Remember 3, 2 is different from 2, 3. We first represent x coordinate. This is called x coordinate. Its position on axis is 2 and its position on y-axis is 3. So its coordinate are 2, 3, not 3, 2. If we write 3, 2 means its position on x-axis is 3 and on y-axis is 2. So this is 3, 2 and this coordinate is 2, 3. This plane is called Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane. And these axes are called coordinate axes, x and y. X and y are called coordinate axes. We also say x coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. The point of intersection of these two coordinate axes is called origin and its coordinate is 0, 0. So remember, coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Now, since on x-axis towards right hand side we represent positive number and towards left hand side we represent negative number. Similarly, on y-axis upward side is positive and downward side is negative. So how can we represent coordinate in this rectangular coordinate system? So here first we represent x coordinate, then y coordinate. So in this quadrant we have 4 quadrants. In this quadrant x is positive, y is also positive. So first quadrant both x and y are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative but y is positive. So we represent either here negative and positive. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant, this is second quadrant. In third quadrant, both x and y are negative. X is negative, y is also negative. So third quadrant is minus, minus, negative. Both x and y coordinate is negative. In fourth quadrant, x is positive while y is negative. So we write here positive and y coordinate is negative.